Wow. Well, how do their pluckers? Right from the grave time there. Instrumental time for a change. Classic song from the Tornadoes, of course, called Telstar. From about 1962, I think this was. Okay, so they have a single guitar version of it, playing both the rhythm and the lead. Okay, using my loop pedal for the rhythm section. Okay, so hopefully I will be making a couple of lessons on this song, where I shall break it down into sections, showing you how to play the rhythm bit, and then obviously the lead bit that goes with it. Okay, so hope to see you shortly for the lessons. Bye for now.